Umentri ka sorkar pedeng ubak kami yak Ministry of Textile haka hinyo trik nopra ula plepat ba yak Integrated Textile and Tourism Center ITTC Hanongpo Ribhoi District bat penbenaru ban sapli yak Weaver Service Center WSC bat kisinja ban penyaso ikinong thanjan Meghalaya haka kamai kaji kabankon sanpo hajar shibnai Kathan chatei la mingi North East kade ka jingsarong ya kam thanjan ka bahir pateng ke India. Kade ka jaka jong ki muga eri bat gurukam thanjan tenrai ba paka. Hapo ka jingalam jong menteri rang bakdu kari Narendra Modi. Ngila ku jingmut ban penklan ya barok kilat penyaso bayade bat kijan kinam bala penmi nakathan na du ka por bari ya uknyang rendia. Hadu pandapoi syaki jaka yo jong ka perthei ong Giriraj ubla pliru yak ekta Meghalaya exhibition come knowledge sharing for textiles advantage. Ulapun pauru yak jingmud jong ka sorkar bante yak saudong saukun ga baklan hakaliang ga jingpen mi jan bar ka jingri knyang rendia hakani ka than chate la mingi. Ulapun baru nak bentaban seng yak Viewers Service Center WSC ka Bathmai ha Meghalaya bat pen pauru baha Guwahati ka Viewers Service Center kade ka jaka ka bakongsan ka ba ajing hikai halur ka jingpen wandur bat jingkar shan ikinong thanjan. Yaman tahi ngidang dantang ka wei ka bakum ka ni ka center hapo ka than. Ngan sabu no ka wei haman lagi jylla bat ka ban sedang na Meghalaya hadir bangila yo jaka naka sorkar jylla. Haba pen kesan ni ka jingmen toy jong ka than habayanu jor ulaong nga snow scam baka than chate la mingi kan kelalong ka jaka ya dia thiet ka bahe bha. Na Guwahati ka shimpor tang shikenta ban poi sya ka jaka ba penmi ya kiksai muka banala. Kani ka day ka jingklan ka ba compare jong ka than. Haba kedaw halur ka jingpen le jingmud jong ka ministry ulaong kathong ka jonga kalong ban penyaso ya barok kinong thanjan bakin yo kamay hadu sanpo wajar shibnai kani ka day ka pachlak ya DD model. Ngilapan kre eklinti yad ban ngin sa pentrikam hangni ha Meghalaya da ka jingkar shan ka sorkar jylla. Uni umentri ka sorkar pedeng ulaya keren ru bat kinong thanjan batbit kumju bat kinong penmi jan ki bala penpau ka jing sngungu ya kan jaka trikam haba penpau baka ITTC kan nyarap yaki ha ka ban penyo ya ka jinghikai ka jingkar shan ban yo ikimat bat ru ban penyo ya ka kabu halor ki yo ki hat ki bakambyang. Nalor kata ulapan pau baka ITTC kan longkum ka rinsan nakabenta ban ajing hikai ban penwandor ekimar ka jingsan yikiksai muga ka jingpen mi ekimar baper bat kumju ru hakakam jungo kai perthei ka ban penla ekinong thanjan ka Meghalaya bakin yo ekilat ki kabu ban penya yo ekimar jongki shakaleng gijaka jongkari bat shabar jongkari kumju. Umentri ulapan baru ikisin jam ki bathmai ban kintiaw ya kakamay kaji jong kinong rem. Mentang ya keren ban penmi na ki artili ki rukam riknyang muga shalai teli kenang ba kinong rem kinyo arsha ha kakamay kaji. Si akar ka jaka kala ban penmi saw hadu sanlak tingka da ka rukam riknyang bapaka. Ka Central Silk Board bat ka State Agriculture Department kinsaya trilang ban pen urlong ya kani. Ulaban juru ya ka jingdon kam bante ka jinglong jingman ka ban pli ya ka jingla bapura jo ka than dak baong ka India ka detang maka ka ri ka bapen mi ya ki marin dia bapher ka muga ka tasar ka mulberry bat ka eri katba umentri khna ka textile upabitra margherita ulapan paw ya ka jingdon ka bakongsan jo ki nong trekti hakathan shatei la mi ha ki rinsan ka perthei ulapan kenmau ha ka Bharat Tax badangshan ka wei na ki jingalang ka bahetam halor ki kam thanjan ha ka perthei ha ka bahado palat arlak ngut ki tong shimbenta ha ki kam karkhana bat rio hajar ki nong thiet na keleng ka perthei kilawan ya shimbenta ha ka ni ka ju ka rinsan ka wei ki nong thanjan na ka than kendong ka Meghalaya kalapan iya ki jan jongki da ka jings ngong sarong kani ka ka bor jong ka jingatli bar ka khana jong ka jingroi jong ka India hapo ka jingalam jong menteri rang bakdu Narendra Modi ula banjur bahado sanpo arpasen nakakam than jan jong kari India kidai ki badan ha than chatei lam ngi ka bala pelong ya ka than ka wei na ki kinhuan ki nong than jan ka baklan tam hapo kari Kiway pat kibla ajingkran hagan ga program kikan thop ya menteri katna textile ka jylla uba met ba lingdo u principal secretary katna textile ka jylla ba Frederick kharkangor na lor kiway.
Thank you, sir. On behalf of Northeast India, thank you. Yes, thank you. It's a big round of applause in honor of Giriraj Singh. And I do not know whether I should say it now, but I had heard that he was speaking to Honorable Minister of Textiles, my dear brother Lingdo, that Mr. Lingdo, you speak to our officials and you just speak to your Chief Minister that if you submit a proposal for weaving service center or something like that, I may think over that. So before he announces, I just had a year to listen to it. Something was discussed like this. So we do hope that in days to come we will get such good news for our Meghalaya, for the Northeast. And we should always take pride that out of the total numbers of handlooms in India is 35 lakhs, plus minus. 3.5 million handlooms, almost same numbers of weavers are there in India. It's not 35 lakhs. And it's a matter of immense pride to be a Northeastern to say that 52% of this total population, the numbers of handlooms are here in our Northeast. Out of 35 lakhs, we have 50% in Northeast India. And of course, our Meghalaya is a stakeholder. So this Rindia, this Antheria semensis, which is popularly known as Muga, Eri, these are basically produced and in our state of Meghalaya, Nagaland, Arunachal, Assam, better to say the Northeast as a whole. So that is why Aditya Giriraj Singh ji, under the guidance and inspiration from our Honorable Prime Minister, we are focusing for the overall development of our handloom and handicraft sector of Northeast. So in the next month, not this month only, so all the textile ministers of India, of different states, will assemble in Guwahati. And of course, this assembly's primary focus will be Northeast. So actually I had prepared one speech, but I think better we should listen to our Honorable Minister. And thank you, Ming. Ming is my friend of last 2 decades. And
it is with immense pride and profound joy on behalf of my department and on behalf of the people of the state that I welcome you, each and everyone, today to this momentous occasion. The inauguration of the Integrated Textile and Tourism Center right here in this place at the ITTC Handloom and Sericulture Complex here in Nongpo. The inauguration of this ITTC today is indeed a historic and red letter day, marking the culmination of the coming together of tradition, skill, and strategic vision for the economic and cultural future of Meghalaya through textiles and fabrics. This initiative will also propel its handloom sector on the national and even in the international framework as well. This project perfectly exemplifies the intergovernmental partnership. I must first extend my deepest gratitude to the Ministry of Textiles, to the Honorable Union Minister and Minister of State from the Government of India. And also the Development Commissioner, Madam Amrit Raj, where she has to leave back to Guwahati, who looks after the handicrafts, for their unwavering faith and generous support to the state of Meghalaya, particularly to the Department of Textile under the Northeast Regional Textile Promotion Scheme, which has resulted in this ITTC. The visionary project, managed meticulously by the Department of Textiles and Directorate of Sericulture and Weaving of the Government of Meghalaya, represents a total investment of 7.98 crores. This substantial central funding has transformed what was once just a dream and a blueprint into a vibrant and dynamic textile hub, which is now a functioning reality.
Modern designs. Here not everyone can enter because otherwise
कुछ न कुछ ज्ञान हो या ना हो,